Hello everyone. This application is all about create task from the notes. This app allows your project user to create a task directly from the notes form view. This is for Odoo 16 enterprise version and now I will show how this application will be working. First I will go to the notes module. Here you can click on new button. Here you can create a note summary. So whatever the note summary will be there, you can just type it here in this particular note field. That is whatever the information will be there, everything you can type it here. So now I'm giving just a business meeting with client, and whatever the summary will be there, you can just put it up here and you can save this. Clicking on this create button, this wizard will be open. This will be the project wizard, and here you can select the project and you can give the title. The same title I'll be giving, that is business meeting. And whatever who will be the assignees for this particular task, you can just type it here and you can give the allocation. So whatever the allocated time for this particular task will be given here, and what will be the deadline you can provide, and you can provide the tag whether it is a bug or a new feature or experiment. I'll give a new feature, and here you can give the description. So whatever the description will be provided here, you can just type it and you can click on create button. Once it is created, you can see there is a one subtask with this particular notes. From notes only this task will be created in the project module. Clicking on this, you will be able to see this. All the information which will be putting up in the notes module will be coming up in this project. The title, the project, and who are the assignees and what is the deadline. All the information with the description will be provided in this particular module. And once you come to the project module, and if you go inside the project, you will be able to see this particular task will be created inside the projects from the notes module. So this is regarding the task created from the from the notes module. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.